Do you want to speak English in daily life, but you feel shy or afraid to speak? Welcome to Daily Use English Speaking. This channel is specially made for English beginners and daily learners. Here you will learn simple English sentences, real-life conversations, and easy spoken English for daily use. How to practice with this video. First, just listen carefully. Then, pause the video after each sentence. Repeat the sentence loudly. Practice again using your own name, age, city, and job. Watch the video at least 2 times. Practice only 10 minutes a day, and you will start speaking English with confidence. Now, let's start today's lesson together.
Welcome to Sakura Japanese Restaurant. Thank you. How many people are dining today? 2 people. Please follow me. Here is your table. Okay, thank you. Here is the menu. Take your time. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Yes, I would like salmon sushi and miso soup. Any special request for the soup? Yes, please make it less salty. Sure. Anything to drink? Green tea. No sugar, please. Okay, I will repeat your order. Salmon sushi, miso soup with less salt, and green tea with no sugar. Yes, that's correct. Your food will be ready soon. Hello, welcome to Golden Dragon Restaurant.
Hello.
Would you like to dine in or take away?
Dine in, please.
Please have a seat. What would you like to order today?
I want fried rice and sweet and sour chicken.
How spicy would you like?
Less spicy, please.
How about sweetness?
Please make it less sweet.
Any drink?
Hot tea, no sugar.
Okay, I got your order. Welcome to Thai Smile Restaurant. Thank you. Is this your first time here? Yes, I recommend Tom Yum soup. Okay, I'll have Tom Yum soup and pad thai. How spicy do you want? Mild spicy, please. Any ingredient you don't like? No coriander, please. Sure. Anything else? That's all. Please wait a moment. Welcome. Can I take your order? Yes, please. I would like a chicken burger. Would you like cheese and onion? Cheese is okay, but no onion. Combo meal? Yes, fries with less salt. What drink would you like? Cola with no ice. Okay, your order is ready in 5 minutes.
Good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia. Good evening. May I take your order? Yes, I want a seafood pizza. Any change to the toppings? Extra cheese, but please use less oil. Anything else? Spaghetti with less garlic. Sure. Thank you for your order.
Welcome to Prime Steakhouse.
Thank you.
How would you like your steak cooked?
Medium rare, please.
Would you like sauce on top?
Yes, but only a little.
Side dish?
Mashed potatoes with less butter.
Okay. Please enjoy your meal soon. Mingala bar. Welcome.
Mingalabar.
What would you like to eat today?
I would like 1 bowl of mohinga.
Any special request?
Yes, no coriander and no chili oil.
Would you like an egg?
Yes, please add a half-fried egg.
Okay. Please wait a moment.
Hello. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a hot coffee.
How much sugar?
2 sugar cubes, please.
Milk?
Yes, but less milk.
Anything to eat?
A sandwich, no mayonnaise.
Sure. Welcome to Green Life Restaurant.
Hi.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I want grilled chicken salad.
What dressing would you like?
Olive oil only.
How about salt?
Very little salt, please.
Okay, that's healthy. Good evening, sir. Welcome.
Good evening.
May I suggest today's special?
Yes, please.
Grilled fish with lemon sauce.
I'll take that.
Any special request?
Less sour and no pepper.
Certainly. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video and practicing English with us today. Remember, do not be afraid to speak. Making mistakes is part of learning. Practice every day, even just 10 minutes. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to Daily Use English Speaking. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our new English practice videos. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and speak English with confidence.